everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have another Chanel unboxing for you all from the pre-fall collection. But before that, I would like to share what my SA sent me. So she surprised me with these gifts. She sent me a card with dedication, a box of small cakes. Let me open it. There, looks so yummy. They're chocolate, and I think this is lemon cake, and a bottle of, it says here, merlot grape juice. How sweet and thoughtful. I love her. There. So let's begin with our unboxing. Let me just put this away. So here's the receipt. Let me open this one first. So here's the ribbon and the flower. There, so here it is. This is my first Chanel brooch, and this is how it looks like. It's in the gold hardware, and you can see that says there Chanel Paris. I like that it is simple and classy. I can wear and style it in so many ways. Let me just take this off and wear it so you can see how it will look on me. There. So I can jazz up a simple shirt or blouse. You can wear this brooch to a simple dress for a unique touch. You can wear it around your neckline. You can wear it on the blazer or your denim jacket. You can also wear it on a hat, wear it as a bracelet, or you can wear it as your necklace. The possibilities are endless. I like that I can use this to reflect my own personal style. So how do I look? Okay. So I like it. I really like it. let's open this box. Here. So it came with a test bag. So here's also my first Chanel belt, and this is how it looks. It's shiny gold hardware, and the back looks like this. This is in calf leather, and it's on the size 80. There. And made in Italy. So I only have a Gucci belt to compare the width. I think it's almost the same. So this is how it looks. This is shiny and this is antique gold. And let me put it side by side so you can see it. Okay, so this is more wider. The Chanel is more in terms of the width. There. So this is how the belt looks on me. I really like the size and the style of the belt. It's simple but classy. Yeah, I'm so happy that I was able to get it. Yes, what can you say about the belt and my brooch? They look good together. There. Thank you so much for watching my unboxing for today. I hope you enjoy it. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!